Chapter 11, Our Environment. Learning Objective 1. Pollution and its types. 2. Causes of pollution. 3. Effects of pollution. Let me answer. What do you understand by environment? What are the ways to keep your environment safe and clean? Types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. Pollution. Suppose we climb the world's highest peak, mountain Everest. To our surprise, we find it lined with garbage. Likewise, if we visit space, there too we will find garbage left behind by earlier missions. Let us accept the fact that we have polluted every single place we have gone to, right from the moon to the bottom of the oceans. Pollution is the contamination of the environment with harmful substances. Pollution makes the air, land and water dirty. It is the result of our failure to balance our needs and wants with that of nature. It is a fact that without transportation, communication, industry and so on, we would have led very difficult lives. But it is equal true that we have not behaved in a responsible manner. We have acted cruelly towards our environment. Today, if we worry about pollution, it is only because it is affecting our own lives. Due to this selfish reason, we are now finding these causes and effects of different types of pollution and trying hard to minimize it. Types of pollution. 1. Air pollution. Air is a mixture of gases and dust particles. It gets polluted when there is a change in its composition. When anything is burnt, it releases carbon dioxide, harmful gases and tiny solid particles like carbon into the air. All this reduces this oxygen in the air, causing breathlessness and affecting our vision. It is also affects cloud formation. Forest fires pollute the air in the same way. 2. Water pollution. Water bodies such as lakes, rivers and oceans are present everywhere. We have deliberately dumped garbage and liquid wastes into them. Heat also pollutes water. Industries releases warm water into nearby rivers and lakes without minding the harm effects of it. This increases the temperature of water and makes it unfit for many forms of aquatic life. 3. Soil pollution. Soil supports life for both plants and animals. Chemicals such as dyes and fertilizers often leak into the soil. Garbage in towns and cities is dumped into holes dug up in soil called landfills. All these activities reduce the quality of the soil and make it unfit for growing plants. Soil has thus become poisonous and polluted in many parts of the world. Such a soil may support no form of life. When people first started to pollute the earth, no one ever thought about its harmful effect on nature. Pollution over the years has led to harmful effects on the earth and the lives of the people. So, of these effects are permanent. They are being seen worldwide. The major changes that have taken place due to the pollution are as follows. 1. Global warming. Earth is much warmer place than it should be. This has been due to excessive carbon dioxide in the air because of air pollution. This carbon dioxide gas attracts sun heat and does not allow it to escape sun heat and does not. This trapped heat warms the surface of the earth, resulting in greenhouse effect. The rise in temperature of the earth is melting the ice at the north and south poles. There is now less snow covering the mountains ranges. Countries like Bangladesh and islands like Tuvalu and Marshall fear floods. All this means that there will be less and less land for a growing population to live on. 2. Climate changes. Unexpected weather changes have taken place all over the world. It has snowed for the first time in Saudi Arabia. In cold Siberian summers have come 3 months earlier. There have been widespread floods in Europe and very heavy snowfall in Kashmir. Predicting weather condition has become quite difficult. 3. Changing landscape and destruction of habitats. Many areas that were once covered with plants and animals are now barren. Water bodies where fish were in plenty are lifeless today. Pollution has reduced the population of many living things. Roads and buildings have sprung up in the places that were once homes to certain living beings. 4. Ozone hole. There is a thin layer of invisible gas called ozone in the atmosphere. This layer protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Chemicals released into the air have thinned out this layer, and in some places like the North Pole, there is a hole in it. This means that harmful rays are now entering the atmosphere and affecting plants and animals' life on Earth. This has resulted in the increase of various types of cancers and damage to eyes. 5. Acid rain. Rain that falls down on us also contains harmful gases. These gases remain in the air till the rain brings them back down. Acid rains harms wildlife, building surfaces and soil. 6. Reduced vision. Air pollutant reduce vision. Dust or dirt particles remain in the air and stop light from passing through. This can be the cause of accidents and respiratory problems. Many of these effects are now beyond our control. Controlling pollution is not easy. It is important for factories to use filters that will clean the exhausted gases before letting them out into the atmosphere. Cleaner fuels like the CNG should be used in vehicles. Till now, little efforts have been made to control pollution. For this reason, countries need to increase awareness among its people and take constructive steps to clean the environment. Facts to know. It is a fact that we have polluted every place we have gone to, right from moon to the bottom of the oceans and high peaks too. Due to the hole in the ozone layer, harmful rays entering atmosphere and affecting plants and animals on Earth. Let's recall. 1. Pollution is caused by the harmful substance not spread naturally in the environment. 2. The main types of pollution are air, soil and water. 3. Pollution causes global warming, climatic changes, change in landscapes, and destruction of habitats, ozone holes, acid rain, and reduced vision. 4. Pollution can be cured by awareness and awakening of people. Word power. Breathlessness, having difficulty in breathing. Contamination, the process of making something dirty. Garbage, rubbish. Greenhouse effect, warming of Earth's atmosphere due to heat being absorbed from the sun and being trapped by gases such as carbon dioxide in the air around the Earth. Harmful, causing damage. Landfill, an area containing buried wastes. Ozone, a thin layer present in the atmosphere that protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. Train your brain. Cross Curriculum Connect. 1. Answer the following questions in short. A. Why has the ozone layer thinned out? B. Give 2 causes for each of the following. 1. Air pollution. 2. Water pollution. 3. Soil pollution. 2. Fill in the blanks. A. When air pollution traps heat, it is called the dash. B. Dash and dash often leak into the soil, causing soil pollution. C. Acid rain contains dash. D. Dash layer protects us from harmful rays of the sun. E. Air pollution reduces dash, leading to accidents. F. Forest fires are a cause of dash pollution. G. Holes dug up in the earth to dump garbage are called dash. H. Air is a mixture of dash and dash particles. 3. Answer the following questions. A. Define pollution. B. How have we polluted the air, water and soil of the earth? C. What is global warming? Give an example of a place affected by global warming. D. What climatic changes have taken place in the last few years? E. Write 2 ways to control pollution. F. What is acid rain? How is it harmful? 4. Tick the right and cross the wrong statements. A. We have always behaved in a responsible manner towards our environment. B. Increases the temperature of water makes it unfit for aquatic life forms. C. There is no change in the amount of snow covering the mountains. D. We should use eco-friendly fuels like CNG in vehicles. E. Rainwater does not contain any pollutants. 5. Multiple choice questions. A. What are the types of pollution? 1. Air pollution. 2. Water pollution. 3. Soil pollution. 4. All of these. B. What are the effects of pollution? 1. Global warming. 2. Destruction of habitats. 3. Ozone holes, acid rain, etc. 4. All of these. C. Which is the incorrect statement? 1. Pollution is harmful to flora and fauna. 2. Pollution can be restricted by awareness. 3. Plants and trees do not help in curbing pollution. D. The cause of air pollution is 1. Plants, 2. Trees, 3. Smoke, 4. All of these. 6. Give one word for each one of the following. A. Rise in the temperature of the earth is known by its name. B. The gas protect us versus from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. C. This is a desert country but dash it received snowfall. 7. Match the column. Column A. Industrial chemicals. B. Dust in air. C. Mount Everest. D. Forest free. E. Clean fuel. Column B. 1. Pollutes air. 2. CNG. 3. Reduce emission. 4. Full of gases. 5. Pollute water. Activity time. Make a list of household things in activity which cause pollution. Hots. 1. According to you, what should be the main 5 measures to check pollution in your neighborhood? 2. The sweeper of your area collects and burns the waste papers, fallen leaves, etc. Is it a right step? Why? Project time. 1. Make charts on how various kinds of pollution can be reduced and display them in your school corridors to spread awareness. 2. Name the different kinds of things that end up in your garbage bin. Identify how their life began and at what time they became garbage.